Air Force Materiel Command Airmen drive the success of the entire Department of the Air Force. From research and development to test, sustainment to life cycle management, nuclear weapons management to installation and mission support. AFMC impacts every mission, each step of the way. Let's take a look at one of our 6 centers, the Air Force Installation and Mission Support Center, and see what they do for our warfighters. The airmen of the Air Force Installation and Mission Support Center build, maintain, and sustain the installations our air and space forces need to remain lethal and ready to execute the mission across the battle space. With more than 3,800 airmen worldwide, AFIMSC is everywhere. We build bases, runways, hangars, and sustain all the facilities and infrastructure in between, both at home and abroad. We ensure military families have safe, modern housing, so our most valuable resources, our people, can focus on the mission. By harnessing the power of innovation and technology, AFIMSC airmen continue to find new ways of ensuring our warfighters have what they need now, while simultaneously planning, building, and imagining the installations and platforms airmen and guardians will need for the future. With a $10 billion annual budget, AFIMSC does more than build and maintain installations. If you live in it, work at it, train at it, eat it, or play it, you can be sure AFIMSC had a hand in making it happen. We develop our security forces, execute contracting, financial management, and pay, and provide our warfighters with weapons, ammunition, food, and support services. In other words, the airmen of AFIMSC ensure warfighters have all they need to live, fight, drive, and thrive. We are revolutionizing combat power and installation support, and strengthening airmen, guardians, and their families to keep them ready to fly, fight, and win on the ground, in the air, and in space.